DJI just released a new edition of the Tello drone, the Iron Man edition, which is available at the DJI store right now. It's the exact same drone as the normal Tello, only it has the Iron Man inspired design. Iron Man's voice activated assistant Friday is the one that's going to give you instructions or tutorials or missions of things to do and learn in the app. But you don't need Friday, you got me, and I made an entire video tutorial series about the Tello. So if you want to use this drone or the previous one, you can go to that tutorial I made right up here. If you don't have time to watch my complete review and tutorial about the Tello drone, I'll just say that it's a small drone. It's very family friendly, pet friendly, because you can't really get hurt from it. All right, it's mainly made for inside, not outside, so any type of wind will affect it. It can fly up to about 100 meters. It does cool tricks like flips in the air 8 different directions. It also shoots 5 megapixel photos, 720 video, and all you need is your phone to fly it. You can use a controller as well. It's a little easier with the controller, but I just fly it with my phone. I got one for my nephew. He loves it. So even though this new Tello edition has all the same features, it requires a new app. It's called the Tello Hero app. You can download that for free, and the app starts up like this.
Greetings, recruit. I am Friday, Tony Stark's AI assistant. Congratulations on your induction into the pilot program and being entrusted with one of Stark Industries' latest mini drones. We have detected some hostile forces in your area, and Iron Man needs your help. As a rookie pilot, you will learn to master the technological capabilities of your drone and harness the skills necessary to survey and protect your neighborhood. This drone is equipped with turbo quadrotors, a high-res camera, onboard flight radar, and a missile evasion system.
The normal Tello drone is $99. This Iron Man edition is $129. Of course, the Tello bundle that comes with 3 batteries is still $149. That would be my recommendation. But if you're a Marvel fan, if you're an Iron Man fan, or you have a young child that's into that, or you're into that, or you have a friend into that, this would be a good drone to get for them. But for me, it's nothing special and earth-shattering. It's still the same drone. I'll put links to it in the description below. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. If you have done so, please subscribe to my channel, press the like, do all that YouTube loving. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, siempre pa'lante, nunca para atrás.